Today we're out in country Mount Cotton and it feels like we've travelled hours to get here, but we're literally only 9.5 minutes to the boat ramp. We're here today with local marketing agent Michael Theo from Ray White Redland Bay to show us what's on offer. Let's have a look. Tell us a little bit more about this award-winning Kurrajong home.
The home boasts 5 large-sized bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2-car lock-up.
Michael, who do you think would be best suited to the home?
I don't think you can really pinpoint to any one type of person. I think this home can accommodate to an array of different people and families. Downstairs you have the rumpus room connected to its own bedroom and bathroom. There's a teenager retreat.
Mark and Cheryl also added another room downstairs.
The man cave, or the music room at the moment.
So if you wanted to get our viewers here, what would you tell them about Mount Cotton?
I think firstly you need to get Mount Cotton onto your radar. It's a wonderful suburb. It's a safe and community-based suburb. You're close to Brisbane City, close to the Gold Coast. You're close to all that Redlands has to offer.
What are some of the finer details? What I mean is the fittings and fixtures. Tell us a little bit about them.
So the home has polished timber floors throughout and has decorative cornerstone which meets the high 9-foot ceilings. The home boasts a very large kitchen with gas fittings, stone bench top, overlooking both the outside living and internal living areas, and security screens throughout the home, but most importantly this beautiful deck which wraps around the home, taking in the views of the adjoining parkland and overlooking the pool.
Well, there you have it, Mount Cotton. The secret's out. If you want a larger Queensland home with a touch of country and don't want to be too far from anywhere, then 51 Settlers Circuit needs to be added to your list of viewing this weekend.